Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is polynomials, and in that class we take and solve some important questions and topics related to that chapter. Now dear student, in today's class we are going to take and discuss a very important chapter related to your first term syllabus, which is areas related to circle. This is one of the most important chapter of your syllabus. You know that, dear student, suppose that this is a circle of center O and radius. This is a circle with center O and radius. In which you know that what is the area of circle? You know that very well. The area of circle is pi r square, and the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. You know that very well. Okay. Now we are discuss about the two important formula. This is area of sector and area of segment. What is sector? If we take 2 points A and B on the circle, and this is, you know that this is a piece of arc, and if you join OA and OB, then that region is called the sector of a circle. And suppose that the angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is theta, then this region means the region bounded by an arc and the radii of circle is known as what? Sector. And the area of sector, dear friends, area of sector is what? Pi r square into theta upon 360 degree. Pi r square into theta upon, this is the formula for area of sector. And what is the concept of segment, dear friend? Dear friend, here if we join AB, AB is what? Chord of the circle. So a region bounded by an arc and a chord of the circle, this chord. So the region bounded by an arc, this, and a chord of the circle, this one, okay? And the chord of the circle, this one, is called the sector of the circle. And what is the method to find? And this is called the minor sector. Minor segment, same segment. The region bounded by an arc and a chord of the circle is called the segment. So here AB is the minor segment, and if we consider the arc BA, this one, so this one is the major sector, and that region whole is called the major segment. So in this way, this is the concept of that chapter. And suppose that here theta be the central line and OA and OB be the radii of circle, then in that condition area of triangle AOB, yes, then area of triangle AOB is equal to 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta. R square into sin theta. Ki in that condition, this is the r is the radius of the circle. So in that condition, AOB is equal to 1 upon 2 r square sin theta. So this is the concept of that question. Okay. Now, dear student, what is the method to find the segment of the circle? So the area of segment is equal to what? Area of sector AOBA and area of triangle AOB. If we subtracting this one, means area of sector minus area of triangle, then we get the area of segment. So dear student, area of segment is equal to what? Area of sector, that is pi r square into theta upon 360, area of sector minus area of triangle AOB, that is 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta. This is the concept, dear friends. This is the concept of that chapter. Okay. So in this way, you can find the area of sector as well as segment. Now we take some important question related to that chapter. Look, Look, find the area of a sector. Question is find the difference of. Find the difference of the areas of sector of angle 120 degree and its corresponding measure and its corresponding major sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Of radius 21 centimeter. This is the question. This is the very important question. Let's see its solution. Here, find the difference of the areas of sector of angle 120 and its corresponding major sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter. So now, first of all, here central angle is given as 120 degree and radius is given as 21 centimeter. So first of all, we find the area of minor sector. First of all, area of minor sector. Okay. So let A1 is the area of minor sector, that is pi r square into theta upon 360. So we have 22 upon 7. R square means 21 into 21. Okay. Into theta is 120 upon 360. 3 7 3 are 3 cancel to each other. So we have our 21 into 22. Okay, 21 into 22. 462. That is 22 upon 7. That is r square. Okay, so this is 462. This is 462 centimeter square. Now we also find the area of major sector. So area of major sector is what? A2. Area of major sector is what? Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Okay. So area of circle is pi 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 minus this is 462. So here 7 3s are 6 into 21 is equal to look. Now we multiply them. So 21 into this is 1. So now we have 1386 minus 462. So 462 minus 924. That is 924 centimeter square. So 924 centimeter square is what? The square of the area of its major sector. Now the difference between them, now their difference is what? 924 minus 462. So that is 2 6, that is 4. So 462 centimeter square is the required solution of the given question. Now we take and solve some other important question based on this topic. Let's see. Take a very important question, and the question is a piece of wire, uh, a piece of wire 20 centimeter long, 20 centimeter long, is bent into the form of is bent into the form of an arc of a circle, subtending an angle of 60 degree at its center. Okay. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of a circle. Now let's see its solution. Look, dear student, this is a very important questions. One of the most important questions of your syllabus. Let's see its solution. Here, look. Look, a piece of wire of 10-20 centimeter is bent into the form of a circle. Okay, so means piece of wire 20 centimeter long is bent into the form of an arc of a circle. Okay, so let's see. Let us take as AB be an arc of a circle and let O be the center of the circle. Okay, if we find OA and OB, then this is the length of an arc and this is the radius of the circle, and a central angle at the center. Look, a piece of 20 centimeter long is bent, wire 20 centimeter long is bent in the form of an arc. So length of arc is given as, okay, length of an arc L, that is length of an arc AB is what? This is 20 centimeter. Length of an arc L is what? 20 centimeter, and is bent into the form of an arc of a circle subtending an angle of 60 degree at its center, and the central angle which is subtended by that arc at the center is what you said? 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Find the radius of the circle. We find its radius. This is R. Okay, we find the radius of the circle R. So here, dear student, we apply the formula ki length of arc. What is the concept of length of arc? Dear student, the length of an arc is what? Let's see. We know that length of arc L is equal to 2 pi r now. So length of an arc L is 2 pi r into theta upon 360. Theta upon 360. Now look here, the value of L which is given in our question, that is what? 20. So here we put as 20 is equal to 2 pi, right as it is, and r we find r into theta is what? 60 upon 360. 0 0 cancel to each other. 6 6 is 36. So we have 20 is equal to 2 pi r upon 6. So now 2 3 is 6. Now pi r is equal to this is 60, so r is equal to 60 upon pi. 60 upon pi centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution of the given question. So in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question based on okay, this is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of the NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now, this one we take and solve some other important questions based on that topic. Let's see. Now, a question is, take a very important question based on this topic. Now look, a chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter makes a right angle at the center of the circle. At the center of a circle. Find the area of the area of the major and minor segments. Find the area of the major and minor segments and take the value of pi as 3.14. Now let's see its solution. Look here, a chord AB is given in our question. So let's see here. Let us take O be the center of the circle and O be the border of the circle. And OA and OB are the radii of circle. Makes a right angle at the center. So this is the 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree. This is 190 degree. Okay. And the radius of a circle, radius 10 centimeter, means OA and OB is equal to 10 centimeter respectively, and find the major and minor segment. So this is segment, you know that this is the segment of the circle, dear students, because you know that the area bounded by an arc and a chord of a circle is called segment, area of segment. So this is the segment of a circle. So area of segment is equal to what? Area of sector. Suppose that we take a C. Area of sector OACBO minus area of, okay. Now here radius is what? 10 centimeter. Central angle is what? 90 degree, and that is area of minor segment ABCA is equal to what? Area of sector OACBO minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, now so area of sector is, you know that pi r square into theta upon 360 minus area of triangle AOB, you know that the formula 1 upon 2 r square into sin theta. This is the formula for that. Now we simplify them. Look, so this is 3.14 is there, this is 10 into 10, theta is 90 upon 360 minus 1 upon 2, 10 into 10 into sin 90 degree. Okay, now look here, 0 0 cancel to each other. This is 4, 2 5s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Okay, 2 5s are 25. So 3.14 into 5 5s are 25 minus 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50 into sin 90 is 1. The value of sin 90 is, now we multiply this. So this is 3.14 25 7 चौके 8 2 15 6 8 से 15 पास है 1 78.50. This is what? 78.50 minus 50. So we subtracting them. So 78 minus 50 minus 50 is what? 28.50. This is 28.50 centimeter square. This is the what? Dear student, this is the value of its minor segment. The value of minor segment is equal to 28.50 centimeter square. Now we also find its corresponding major segment. So for finding the major segment, we just use the concept area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, now let's see. Now area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor section. Now area of circle is what? Pi r square minus 28.50. So this is 3 into 10 square. Now we have this is 100. 28 point. This now. This is 314 minus 28.50. This is what I get. We get at 28 to 285.5. This is the area of its major segment. So this is the concept of that question. So in this way, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on these topics. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, now in next class we take and solve same chapter and we take some other important question. Okay, now thanks to all.